Hey guys, Kaushal here. So I was wondering how to share my New Year wishes to you. Initially, I thought, as always, let's make up a flyer with my messages and then a logo, blah blah blah. But then man nahi kiya. Then actually, I thought, in true sense, it is only a change of calendar, right? Like, socho, are you going to change as a person overnight? Think whether corona will go away. Think whether our condition or situation in which we are today, would it change suddenly? You know the answer, right? It won't happen. Then what is so special about New Year? So there are few thoughts that I believe in, and I want you to ponder upon it. And if you also resonate with those thoughts, try to apply it in your life and make a difference in your life. See, New Year is a wonderful opportunity for us to hit the restart button, right? Restart button. देखो एक बात अच्छे से समझो. It is always you versus you. हमेशा. है ना? So make sure that you don't, I repeat, you don't make a new year resolution जो नॉर्मली अपना आदत होता है. नहीं बनाना है. रेजोल्यूशन से कुछ नहीं होगा. एज आई ऑलवेज से, करने से होगा, और करने के लिए रेजोल्यूशन नहीं, हैबिट चाहिए. सो इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू लूज वेट, वर्कआउट एवरी डे. अगर तुमको मेंटल पीस चाहिए एंड यू वांट टू प्रैक्टिस माइंडफुलनेस, विच आई बिलीव इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, meditate every day. If you want to excel in exams, study every single day effectively. देखो, habit is nothing but things which you are doing over a longer period of time with discipline, and then the compounding pays off. I hope तुम समझ पा रहे हो. So once habit is set, then compare it. Compare it after 3 months. Compare with what? Compare how much do you procrastinate today than earlier? How much ego you are carrying? Compare your own eating habits. Compare your own effective study time. Compare your own behavior, and then decide whether you deserve to be declared as pass or fail in life. Repeat it every 3 months. It is always you versus you. Having said that, we all know 2020 was all about resilience. It was tough to see near and dear ones failing, but still we are here talking. This makes us a blessed soul. Right? So with this note, have a wonderful 2021. See ya. Cheers.